Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to send money from UK to Saudi Arabia via Remitly. Visit the Remitly website. At the top of the page, select your country, for example UK, then choose Saudi Arabia as receiver's country. Click on the Get This Rate button. Log into your account by entering your credentials. If you don't have an account, click Continue with Google or click Continue with Apple to create new account. Click on the Send Money button. In the exchange rate section, enter the amount you want to send and view the amount the receiver will get. Click Continue to proceed. Choose Delivery Speed and then select how you want to send money, like cash pickup, debit card. If you choose cash pickup, provide the recipient's name. Click Continue to proceed. Add the recipient's city and region details. Click Continue to proceed. Enter the sender's details, ensuring the information is accurate. Click Continue and confirm the information. Provide your address and postal code. Enter your phone number and click Continue. Once all details are confirmed, your money will be sent to Saudi Arabia. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.